People, welcome back to Politricks Watch. This is Sir P, aka Cancel P. Today I'm going to talk about things that I see dropping at the papers lately. People are sending to me. I say, look, Kuchiba, a long time I drop on video and tell you, say, right now, man, my teeth care and them don't even have to use. Right, no crowbar and dig off, nothing. I tell me, say, the man, use signal and them. So you get big in the papers there now. Talk about them things a long time, so I'm not going to go over that. Man, them I know interrupt signal and hijack signal and open all your vehicle from outside of your window and all kind of something. You see, way back in the day, when people are talking about countries and groups were known for trick man and they think say I get something, they realize in tricky and then give all the cure feed. Most times, it used to center around place like Uncle Sam, Britain and them place there. Them that the original place where Jamaican to know say, you have to be careful, you know, cause you might look like this, but I really this a go on, you know. You have to be careful, you know. We gear the problem and then gear the cure. Gear the problem and then gear the cure. Just like I come and tell you, a politician will dash mud on your car in the night. And then in the morning, he might for you want free car wash. Remember that? I tell you, a politician will dash mud on your car in the night when you're asleep. When you wake up, the car dirty. And then he turn up and say, boy, let me give you a free car wash. Simpleton did that clap them on. Boy, I'm nice, man, he nice and thoughtful, and I'm dash dirt on the car. Top general. Well, now, the Yankee and the French and the Brits and the usual powers of company. And it has to relate to the whole signal and jamming signal and hijacking signal. Right now, Fung Sung a move like him named Skillachi or Alan Skill Cole or something. Let me explain something to you guy. Now for them care they want to see. We now buy. Right now Mr. Chin will sell something. We can make you interrupt the signal between a car key and the car. Mr. Chin will sell you something where you can hijack it, copy it, and you go start the car. That easy, but you know. Them now lick out the window again. I said them a start your car, cause them car you know so modern day. A button start, signal I send. And whenever there's a signal can be interrupted, signal can be disrupted. Signals can be hijacked. So Fung Sung goes to watch her. Buy this. This make you can start one car easy. Just walk up it and open it and drive it off like a year one. Sell that to you. You buy it. So the thief buy that, you know. So the thief buy the something where you can hijack the man's signal and go with the man's car. Then Fung Sung link the man that own the car and say, yo, watch her. We can sell you something where you can stop the signal from her. It has to be studied. I wonder if you're listening to me. Fung Sung sell the thief something where you can thief your car. Just hijack your signal, mimic your signal, just go on with your car. Then Fung Sung go back in the lab and say, alright, now that's be a car and get thief. We just open up a new market. Which market is that? People who want to protect their car and get thief. So here already know we build one next thing and sell it to this little man. So now Fung Sung will supply the thief of the car and the owner of the car. It has to be studied. Fung Sung, your strategies are vile. I said Fung Sung is selling the thief something for thief your car. And by the way, you know after I make these videos, I assume some adults might talk to. You know Mr. Chin are the leaders in the manufacturing. So other people can build this and build it and make them think. But you know when it comes down to making things, you know so Mr. Chin are in the place right now. So you might have a one and two man who can build something similar. But you know so when you talk about mass producing gadgets, you know say then can't beat Mr. Chin Panda. So that's why I say Mr. Chin. But Ahmed might have one similar thing. Billy Joe might have one similar thing. But when you talk about mass producing something for a cheap price, for even one dopey bot like Sci-Fi can get it and use it, you know Mr. Chin think that. So Mr. Chin sell the thief sitting for thief your car. In gone with the neighbor car So when you see what to your neighbor car, what you do now? You don't want them to you. So now you're gonna get sitting there and say, yo, see there, this can't stop the signal from get this now, this can't stop this, and just give me $10,000 and go on with it, man, and protect yourself. So now the thief and the victim of the thief function each off of them. But they done this so. Cause the thief go realize say people now can't get hard of the thief. What am I gonna do? He might need something even better. Ding ding ding. Bill gone off and a function it again, gone back to the thief. Yo, here is version 2.0. Version 2.0 can defeat the defense that them have. So now all of a sudden these customers and these people who did get safe for 1 3 months cause no more carry no thief, suddenly can start thief again. Version 2.0 can defeat. Right. Feed them version 1 protection. So what function do again? Link back the customer. Watcher. Protection 2.0. Don't buy it, man. Make the man and thief your car in a ducky bat. When you say in a business and thief your car, you know why you can't get thief. Oh, well, buy it then. See you buy it. Work again for the next 3 months. Money pile up. Function reach about 10 billion already. But you done this so. Remember say, for a country that pretends to be quote-unquote communist, anybody know anything about economics know that China is not a communist country. Their politics might be communist, but their economics, in many ways, China is even more capitalist than America. In many ways, when I talk about making money, generating income, profit margins and anything, the China money kill you. Kill Yankee Saxon for days. China money kill Billy Joe. Mr. Chin know all the game better than a Billy Joe and a Billy Joe game. So now, version 2.0 protection did it. Want to thief them. No more carry no thief. Mr. Chin, no more carry no thief, you know. Because let's be honest here. You think Samsung don't know what that device is being used for? Them know that. Version 3, version 4, and I say 2 groups go back and forth. The 2 groups go back and forth. The thief and the owner for the vehicle constantly update 3.0, 4.0 till they reach out 20, version 20, and then can't stop spend money and compete against each other. And the whole time function. I swim in a cash. This is played out all over the world, you know. Just like, as me telling you sometimes, you ever listen to some ad span Yankee TV, them tell you said, this medicine where you take, this medicine, do you have pain in your ankle? Well, take this. Side effects include diarrhea, vomiting, and suicidal thoughts. So now you take that for your pain in your ankle. And your belly start run. Now you fall in a depression. Then you come back. Do you have depression? Take this. So now your body sitting for this. Side effects include your eyes start at you. Then you link you back again. Pain in the eyes, we have something for that. Take this. Side effects include hood can't stand up again. So now you realize you fix the eye and the hood dead. So you know, you can't have that dead by you. So you go link for 1 pill to make it stand up again. Do you have impotency? Take this. Side effects include back week out. And that's so you keep going back and forth. And every day you buy 1 new pill. And the money make the pill lie down somewhere in a valley. And him back a smile. Then money create the problem and then give you the cure. And then Mr. Chin invent it. Him just perfect it. A long time Billy Joe them drop them style. Long time. Even Jamaican politicians, local politicians, them try play the game but at a smaller level, at a scrimmage level. See, politicians bring in laws, tell us them help poor people, right? You know the people them ignorant to economics, right? So them it sound good, so them run go agree to it, but that law, that policy, right, might drive up this and drive up that. So now in our real terms, people get poorer. On paper, they might get a little bit more money, but in real terms, the inflation made them actually get poorer. You understand, so him have 300,000 in him account 5 years ago, and him have 350,000 right now. But you realize that the 350,000 right now can be worth less than the 300 we did it before. All him look upon is that 350 is a bigger number than 300. Politicians do things like this where them gear the problem and then them turn up with the cure and get pat on them back. Just like me said, them man there with dash dirt on your car and then half of wash it for free. And people say, see, them man they a real man cause them man they say free car wash. Politician guy would come up with a policy. Right. We increase hunger and then turn up with one big food stand that give out free food and go down as a legendary hero who love the poor. These things work on the masses. It has to be studied. But Fung Sung and him friend them skill. Island skill cool. It has to be studied. Has to be. Patreon squad, big up on yourself. PIA, you don't know, more life. Vulture squad, stay circle. Bless.